Good morning viewers. I am Venugopal, Department of Commerce and HOD, Vidhyalakshmi YouTube channel. Welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, 12th Accountancy. The chapter name is Accounts for Not-for-Profit Organization. So, very clearly given the word not-for-profit organization. So, their doing service is the prime motive and earning profit is the secondary motive. That is the main concept for not-for-profit organization. In this not-for-profit organization, there are important two statements are there. One is the income expenditure account. So, income expenditure account, one is a ledger account. Based on that prepare the balance sheet. Then after we first will go to the receipt and payment method. So, the receipt and payment method, what is mean by receipt and payment method? So, receipt and payment method, it is resemble as a cash book. How we are using the cash book? Debit side we enter the receipt amount, received, earned, revenue items. The same way in our income expenditure receipt and payment method, receipt side we are using earning, revenue and the opening cash balance, opening bank balance values. And payment side we can use give, gave, given, paid, pay, payment, purchase, what are the items values are there, that amount will be appear in your payment side. So, generally opening cash balance will be appear debit side and find out the answer of closing cash balance will be appear in your payment side. Okay. So, not for profit organization, the example of the cultures, that means cultures, then after film industry, then after Indian Medical Association, hospitals, then after we will see the Chamber of Commerce. So, these type of institution they are maintaining in this type of not for profit organization accounts. So, generally they are maintaining receipt and payment method accounts, then after income expenditure account, then after based on that preparing balance sheet. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss the first method for our receipt and payment method, right. Right. So, now you will see I given the illustration 1 from the following particulars of Tamil Educational Society prepare receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So, based on in this illustration how we can do the sum, I will show the sum how to prepare in this one. Okay, right. Now, we will see the transactions are given here. The opening cash balance, rent paid, scholarship given, entrance fees received, then building purchase, staff salary and subscription received. So, I already told in your receipt side, we can use only received items with opening cash balance. See, the opening cash balance as on 1/4/2018 will be appear in your receipt side, income, receipts and payment method. Then after rent paid will be appear payment side. Then after scholarship is given will be appear in your payment side. Then the entrance fees received, this is received items will be appear in your receipt side. Then after we will see the building purchased, the payment will be appear in this value, staff salary also for us paid will be appear in your payment side, subscription received will be appear in your receipt side. Now, we will see the sum how to do. Receipt rupees, payment rupees and the heading of in the books of Tamil Educational Society, Tamil Educational Society receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account for the year ended March 2019, 31st March 2019. So, based on ledger debit side DR and credit side CR. Now, we can see the value, right. Now, first one, opening cash balance. Opening cash balance, first one, you can write it here, to balance BD. See the value here. See the opening cash balance 1/4/2018, the value of 18,000. Now, I will appear here. $18,000 opening cash balance, right. Next, rent paid. So, rent paid rupees 6,000 will be appear in your payment side, okay. So, by rent paid account, the value of 6,000, right. And next we will see the name value of entrance. So, entrance fee will be appear in your receipt side. Write the name here, entrance fee account, and the value of rupees 18,500. Then next we will see the name scholarship given. So, scholarship is given will be appear in your payment side. Scholarship given account and write the value of rupees 15,200, right. And next, entrance fee received we returned, rent paid we returned, scholarship is given. Next we will move on, purchased. So, building purchase 2,10,000. So, write it here, by building purchased 2,10,000. So, purchase for us payment, we have pay the money and purchase the building. So, based on that the amount will be appear in your payment side, right. Next we will move on, staff salary 55,000, by staff salary rupees 55,000. Okay. So, staff salary paid, it will go on payment side rupees 55,000. Then after we will see the next heading, subscription received. So, subscription received will be appear received here receipt side, write the name subscription received, subscription received, and the value of 2,65,000, 2,65,000. Okay. Now, we entered all the entries. So, receipt side we entered the receipt side, we entered the value of the balance BD, opening cash balance 18,000, then entrance fees rupees 18,500, subscription received 2,65,000. This and all for us receipts item, and payment item we entered the value, rent paid 6,000, then scholarship is given 15,200, then building purchase 2,10,000 and staff salary 55,000. Now, we will check it which side excess values are there. So, generally while you are preparing the receipts and payment account will be appear debit side excess value. So, based on excess debit side means receipt side. So, you can add the value here 2,65,000 and 2,75,000, 2,70,000, 83, then 93, 101, 3,01,500. One lakh, 3,01,500. So, transfer the value in your payment side 3,00,000 1,500, 3,01,500. Now, we will check it here. So, 3,01,500 and minus these value 2,10,000, 2,65,000, 2,65,000, 2,70,000, 2,80,000, 2,86,000. So, we deduct 2,86,200 means, and remaining we are receiving the amount 15,300. Find out the answer 15,300 and write the name here by balance CD, by balance CD. Okay. So, this is the cash in hand, cash in hand. Then find out the answer, cash in hand rupees 15,300. Okay. So, my dear viewers, today the first sum I dictated in the books of Tamil Educational Society, the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Based on the illustration, we saw the value for a receipt side value and payment side value and find out the answer 15,300. This is the cash in hand, the closing balance, cash in hand for our receipts and payment side value, right. Now, we will see the next second sum. Now, we will read the question. Say illustration 2. Now, we will move on illustration 2. From the following particulars of Trichy Educational Society, receipt and payments for the year ended 31st December 2018. 31st December 2018, the values are given here. See, opening cash balance, I already told, these balance always will be appear in your receipt side. Cash balance rupees 20,000. Then after investment made means investments amount is given. So, it will move on payment side rupees 80,000, honorarium paid. So, what is meant by honorarium? Here honorarium means the outside of our company or industry or any one institution, we gave the some appreciation for the guidance program. We will give some honorarium, momentum or gift. That is meant by generally we call honorarium. So, these amount will be appear in your payment side. The next we will go for donation received. So, we are receiving the donation, it will move on receipt side. Then after we will see audit fees paid. So, we are paying money, it will goes to the payment side. Then locker rent received, receipt side. Then sale of furniture, received earning income, it will move on receipt side. Then general expenses, we did the expenses, will move on payment side. Then after postage rupees 1,000 will be appear in your payment side. Subscription received will be appear in your receipt side. Now, we will see how to do in this. In the books of Trichy Educational society as on 31/12/2018. 31/12/2018. Now we will see the values here. Payments, receipts, DR, CR, receipt and payment, receipt and payment ledger. Now we will see the sum. Now see the value here, opening cash balance 20,000. So write the name here, to balance BD, cash in hand 20,000. Right. Next, investment made. It is payment side. We will move on the value by investment made. So what is the value here? Investment made rupees 80,000, and write the value here 80,000. Right. Next we will move on. The values are honorarium paid rupees 3,000. So this is for us payment, honorarium paid rupees 3,000 for us payment. Next we will move on. Donation received 80,000. So we are receiving money. Donation received to donation received 80,000. We have received the value. Next, audit fees paid. So we are paying money. Rupees 2,000 will be appear payment side. Audit fee paid. Audit fee paid. Rupees 2,000, and write the value here 2,000. Then after next we will move on. Locker rent received. So we are receiving money. Locker rent receipt will goes to receipt side rupees 12,000. To locker rent received 12,000. Okay, we are received money. Then next, sale of furniture. So we sold goods, we have furniture. We are receiving the income of rupees 5,000. So sale of furniture will move on debit side, receipt side. Sale of furniture rupees 5,000, and write the value 5,000. Right. Next we will move on. General expenses 7,000. So expenses we did expenses. So point of view this amount will be appear in your payment side, and write the value general expenses 7,000 by general expenses 7,000. Right. Next we will move on. Postage expenses rupees 1,000. We paid money 1,000 rupees will be appear in your payment side, and write the name here by postage. rupees 1000. Right. And next we will move on. Subscription received, we are received money. So, subscription received 10,000 will be appear receipt side. To subscription received 10,000. Right. Now, we entered all the value and receipt side we entered the value of opening cash balance 20,000, donation received 80,000, then docket rent received 12,000, then salaries, sale of furniture rupees 5,000, subscription received 10,000. Now, we will move on payment side, investment made 80,000, then honorarium paid 3,000, then audit fee paid 2,000 and general expenses paid rupees 7,000, then postage rupees 1,000. So, we entered all the value. Now, we will check it big side excess value. See receipt side 80, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 12,000, 1 lakh 22,000, 1 lakh 27,000 is there. But here 90, 98. So, receipt side excess values are there. Close the value 1 lakh 27,000. This value transferred to payment side 1 lakh 27,000 and minus 80. 83, 85, 92, 93. So, 93,000. So, we are receiving the remaining balance. See here 80, 83, 85. So, 92, 93,000. So, we are receiving 0, 0, 0, 7 minus 3, 4, then 12, then 12 minus 9, 3. Now, we will see the value 34,000. Okay. Now, answer is 34,000 and write it here by balance CD cash in hand. Okay. So, my dear viewers, today we are discussed the recipient payment, how to enter the value in receipt side, payment side. So, recipient payment, it is resemble as a cash book. So, in your cash book, what are the items will be appear in debit side? Receipt items, and credit side payment item. The same way here also will be appear the recipient payment method. So, recipient payment method, today we have discussed two sums. So, next class we will see the income expenditure, how to enter the entries in your not for profit organization. Okay. Thank you very much. Like video, share video and subscribe the video. Thank you, sir.